Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Open the glove box. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew and remove the 4 screws securing the top of the glove box. Pull the shelf so the tabs pop out of their catch. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door. Then unclip the middle latch upwards to be able to open the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1164C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing door. Clip the shelf back into the glove box. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.